Hey, we are downtown going to the St. William's Grand Park, the Seventh day Adventist Churches of Churches. Yes, the conference. I am saying this to you today. It's the youths program, the youths of Jamaica. Them no take up gun nor knife. They are in the church. Look at them, how them look militant, walking through downtown Kingston. They are giving away free health check, massages, Bible. Yes, the youths of Jamaica. Look how downtown Kingston pretty. Only on the Rochi Cornerstone channel you can find something like this. We are going to the St. William's Grand Park. Yes. Look at the beauty. This is just like a documentary. Yes, the people are enjoying themselves in the heart of downtown Kingston. We are in front of the St. William's Grand Park, waiting to get inside to enjoy ourselves. Only on the Rochi Cornerstone channel you can find something like this. No other channel. I want to say thank you for watching the end and enjoy yourself.